I'm sure you've heard the news about how common snoring is, but do you know why it happens? Let's dive into the noisy world of snoring. Snoring happens when air flows past relaxed tissues in your throat, causing them to vibrate as you breathe. Factors like your anatomy, alcohol consumption, and sleep deprivation can exacerbate this nightly symphony. Interestingly, the position of your tongue can also play a crucial role. So next time the snores start, remember, it's just your body's quirky way of keeping the airway open.